for Kids Family Meal Workshops helps families learn how to make meals together. So when they come to the museum, we have all of the ingredients that they're going to need to create a meal. While they're with us, they get to learn how to chop, how to peel, and then they go home with most of the ingredients that they need to make that meal again at home. To help us do this, we've partnered with the Institute of Museum of Library Services to provide funding and sustainable kitchens.
So I got the email that this was an event that was happening, and it just sounded really cool. We try to cook at home, and sometimes we don't have all the ingredients, and I really wanted to learn more about what I should have in my pantry so that it's easier to cook. But also my kids, they're always asking about what I'm doing in the kitchen, and they're engaging with us in the kitchen, and so I thought it would just be a really great opportunity for them as well.
I had fun because I got to make ingredients and I got to make a salad. It was yummy, even the cooks like it.
It's really exciting for us to use our programming to get young kids excited about cooking, because we feel that a lot of times eating habits are established very young, and there's just a lot of processed pre-made food. And so to get young kids into a room and get their hands on fresh lettuce and fresh ingredients, fresh vegetables, and actually prepare something that they like and tastes good and will probably eat again is the whole reason why we exist.
What was your favorite part?
Cooking with the chef.